Hello. Hey, hi everyone. Welcome back to the next session of SAP ABAP on HANA training series. And thank you for choosing JK Tutorials. So till now, we have discussed in the last session, we have discussed about the EPM data model. What is this? Okay, EPM enterprise procurement model. In our last session, we have discussed about it's an end-to-end application which is provided to us by SAP for demonstration and testing purpose. The company on which it's all running is ITEIO. Okay, we have seen one example also here. I have sales and here I have purchasing happening there, supplier, customer, some sales order will go, purchase order will go. So these things we have discussed. Don't go too much apt. So then we have seen there are some demo tables. So there are some demo tables in the database which is given to us from SAP system. Like previously we was having something like S-Lite, like these tables we was having. Okay, one second. Yeah. So in today we are having these suppliers and customers table, which is SNWD VPA, product table SNWD PD, sales order SNWD SO, SNWD SOIO. So have you tried guys these tables into your system by running by going to the C11, and have you seen these tables? And these tables are available in our system until and unless our system is about 7.4 or above this. Is this clear, guys? So have you tried these PO tables, SNWD, PD, PO, SNWD, POI? So these are the some demo tables which is provided to us from the SAP system. Okay, guys. Hope this one is clear to you. So now let's move to the demo scenario. We will see the OIA. What is this OIA? Okay, what is this OIA, guys? So OIA is open item analysis. Okay. Now let's see a demo program. Sorry. Now let's see the demo on this. Okay, let's take a guide. Or okay, let's take a yeah, Mr. John, Mr. John. Okay, let's take a guide. Who's the Mr. John? Just take normally again is an accountant. Okay, accountant in our company. As he is an accountant, so he or normally money cash plays a crucial role in success of a company and running the business. So it is in the best investment of the company to collect the pending cash of unpaid invoices. For example, I am having some invoices. I got invoices, but I don't have money. To get the cash of unpaid invoices on timely manner from the customer. Okay, so, for example, some customer has made the quick commitment, hey, I will give you the money on that day. But so that will come under unpaid invoices. By putting this cash back into the pipeline of the business manner of the business, company can make a profit. Okay. So what I'm saying is, for example, I'm having some unpaid invoices. So those unpaid invoices, if I will get, then I can get a good money. Okay. Again, I will put that money into my business. So what is Mr. John, who is an account receivable accountant in our company? Whose job? What is his job? It's his job is one second, guys. Yeah, this guy job is to manage the collection of the cash from the customers. Of who for what? For unpaid invoices. Okay, for the unpaid invoices, what is a is that guy to get the money from to get the paisa from the customers who has not paid. Okay, for the unpaid invoices. Okay, he typically comes to the office. He usually comes to the office and he spends too much time okay, to doing his activities. So what are the main activities? So let's write down some of them. Firstly, for example, he has multiple invoices. For example, you have lakhs of invoices in the system. So first work of is the search the unpaid invoices. Whichever the invoices which are not paid yet, first he will find out. Then what he will do? He will arrange them. Arrange them. Okay. He will arrange them. What he will do? He will check here. Yeah, this guy has not done. This guy has not done. First, he will find out like this. Okay. He will arrange them. He to whom customer I will go first and ask for the money. Okay, find the most critical ones. Then his job is to find out the most critical ones which are not yet paid. So which are not paid, he will find out. Firstly, his job is to find the unpaid invoices. Then he will arrange them. Okay, arrange them in order. It depend on him. Arrange them once again and then in order. Then to find out the most critical ones which are not paid. Then what he will do, he will find out which are the big unpaid invoices. For example, lakhs of crores, which are not paid. Firstly, he will find to whom I will go first. Okay. Then what he will organize. Okay. He will organize he will organize them based on their this. Okay. Risk, okay, based on the what type, how can you define what based on risk? By you can say by threshold, okay, amount, threshold by you can say amount time, how much time, okay, how much time he has not given the money. Is this clear, guys? What is this requirement is? Now the last work is once again, what is last job is in relation to that Mr. John finally classify customer and perform tuning. What he will do is classify. Let's see, just type classify them. Okay, and he will classify them and he will connect to. Firstly, his main job is search the unpaid invoices, then arrange them in some order. Okay, so let's start. So what then Mr. John will do? Okay, so what he will do? Firstly, he will directly go to his CIO and has contacts up to CEO level. Your manager also afraid of him. Okay, so Mr. John is a very powerful guy. Okay, so just give me a moment. Okay, so this is all what our OIA scenario. Okay, OIA scenario. Okay, so that's what our real time scenario, guys. Open time analysis. So that's what this Mr. John wants from you. What does it mean? What does it means? Find out. So the last requirement is the total due amount. What is the last requirement we have now is to find out the total due amount and average number of days since the amount is due per customer. Is this clear, guys? And is this clear, guys? So first, what he is saying is find out the total of due amount and average number of days is the amount due per customer. Okay, this is what our requirement is. This is what we are going to develop. Okay, so customer, this has to be, and what is the currency for this? Because there should be a different reasons from guys will be customers will be there. This should be in common currency. It is clear, guys. What is the requirement to find out the total amount and average number of days in the amount is due per customer. Okay, so let's go back and let's create a table. Give me a moment. Let me log into the Eclipse now. Yeah, guys. Till the time our Eclipse will start, I will tell you one more thing. So we got this requirement. What a normal developer will do. He will sit and he will log into the Eclipse and he will start developing. Okay. But we are not going to do this. Why we will not do this? Because we will not go like in the same row. What we will do is firstly, there is one methodology which is known as agile methodology. What is this? This is main work is to break down the requirement. Okay. For example, once again, break down the requirement before starting development. Is this clear, guys? Break down the requirement before starting development. What is this agile method? So here you can see we are having some OIA scenario. What it is saying is find out the total due amount and average number of days since the amount is due per customer. This should be in common currency. So what this is saying is, firstly we have to break down this all requirement. So where what does it need is, we need a database table which contains the customizing. Customizing means like those standalone currency records which will store. So let's firstly our requirement is, and second guys, create the database table which contains the customizing threshold and currency. Is it clear, guys? Second is how long an average, how long an average invoice. Okay, what is the due amount invoice per customer is pending? Okay, per customers are pending. Is this clear, guys? So what is the invoice table, which I just shown you in the previous slide? So invoices which are not yet paid. From where you will find out this one? SMWD underscore SO underscore invoice underscore header table. And for invoices which are not yet paid, where? What is the condition for this? Payment. I will show you. Just give me a moment, guys. Payment underscore status. So should be blank. So if I will log into the SAP system, again SAP. If I log into this SAP system, then I will show you this table. One second, let me share you again. Yeah, guys, you can see here. This is my SAP system. Let me log in into it. SC11, we will go to, so what is the table name which I have just written is SNWD underscore SO, SNWD underscore SO. Once again, SNWD underscore SO underscore invoice header table. Okay. So this is what my table, sales order invoice header table. So what is my requirement? Invoices which are not yet paid. Okay. So sales order invoices which are not yet paid, we have to find out those invoices. Okay. Is it clear, guys? So here you can see EPM sales order invoice payment status code. This is what we need. Through this, we will find out that our requirements, like which are not yet paid. Is this clear, guys? So these are, if I will open anything, the payment status is something. One second, let's go back. Payment status is here. Okay, look, which are initial, which are not paid, those will be empty, and which are paid will be filled as P. So if we find out in the system which are the invoices which are not yet paid, what we will do? We will write our one condition where initial, okay, where payment equals to initial is empty. So this is what we are going to do. Is this clear, guys? Then what first thing is clear, invoices which are not yet paid. What we will do is we will calculate the average days. Okay, average days since when the invoices are pending. From when these invoices are pending. So we will find out those average. We will find out the days. How can we find out? 2 days total. Sorry, 2 days date minus last change date. Okay. And here you have something and date due to created by, okay, generic created at generic node की case. Okay, we will see. Is this clear, guys? Then our last third requirement is we will find out the average. Okay, formula for we will find out the average. You know the formula of average is, you know, guys, average equals to total divided by numbers. For example, we have to find out the average between the days, between like some 1 to 10. What we will do is summation of 1 to 10. What we will do, we will add 1 to 10, and in the above in the last In the here we will write out the 10 because the number of days is 10 and the sum if we want to find out this is what we can do. Is this clear guys? So and for customer information how can we find out? We have one table which is known as SNWD underscore BPA. So this is what it will store the customer detail, the phone and email address, phone number, web address, text number. So this is what. So to find out the customer information, how can you find out SNWD underscore BPA? Is this clear, guys? Are we good to go now? Okay. So now let's start our development. Okay. So before this, what I was trying to tell you also is we will see with this we will see in our next session. If in the last test we will see the collect statement. What is the use of collect statement? I hope most of you are aware of this collect statement, but let me just log in there. Okay, log into the Eclipse system, and I will tell you what is this collect statement. So anyone, if you will think what is this collect statement? So a collect statement in a web, what it will do is in a web, okay, is used to add records to the internal table. This will also work as a add, okay, submission to the internal table, but it is different than append. How it is different than append? But it is different than append. How it is different? Unlike append, okay, it will not create a new line. Okay, it will not create a new line. What it will do? In internal table, I will show you the example also. In internal table, it will add the numbers while creating lines. Okay, it will add the numbers by comparing non-numeric columns. Okay, based on non-numeric columns, the numeric columns will be added. Is this clear, guys? Is this clear? Based on non-numeric columns. Okay, the numeric columns will be added. Is this clear, guys? Is this clear, everyone? This is what our collect statement does. So let's log into the Eclipse. Yeah, guys, let's create a new program. Okay, let's click here. Collect statement. Okay, click on finish. Yeah, got created. Let's create and declare the structure. Start begin of the right demo and of the right demo. Okay, let's give the user who is having type C. Okay, let's give as AMNT. No need to give the type because this is of type integer. Everyone knows this basics. Okay, so let's move. Let's declare the structure and work area. Data demo type table by demo. Okay, WA demo type by demo. Also create a one more for collect statement. WTCLCT type table of TY demo. Is this clear, guys? Let's fill this work area and move it to the internal table. What I will do is WCLCT is an WA demo. Okay. Username is as John.
is our brand. Okay, W demo. Here is amount as much is earning. He's earning 20,000. The rich guy 2,000. And here let's make it 20,000. The rich guy guys. Okay. Then what you used to do? Append W demo. Okay. What I will do is you copy this, paste this, John. Then we add 1% with James. Okay. 50,000. And John was having 25. James again. Okay. Print this and group. Okay. Write the right statement here. Right. Demo user also the demo amount. Okay. This. Save this. What is the error? This is again. WT demo is a no. Oh, sorry guys. Very fast I was trying to do. Okay. Save this. Okay. Check this. Then activate it. Right click. Run as web application. Okay. You can see guys 20,000, 30,000, James, John, James, 4 entries are coming here. What I will do is I will show you the use case of collection. Hope 50% of you may know. I will collect this demo okay into my WT demo. So note into my WT CLCT. Okay. Copy this, paste this, paste this, paste this. Okay. Now what I will do is escape, read. I will again loop it with this, paste this. Demo is WT CLCT. Clear this work area. Okay. Save this. Check this and activate it. Okay. Right click, run as a web application. Look guys, the use of collective. How many entries are coming here? 2 only. Previously without collective statement, 4 entries was coming. What it has done? It has added this zone. By comparing what I told you here is collective statement will add based on non-numeric columns. The numeric columns will be added. Is this clear guys? Okay. So this is what the use case of this collective statement. I hope this one is clear for everyone. Okay. So in the next session, what we will do? We will start creating a select query. Basically, we will create a demo database table, okay, which will store some customizing threshold and currency reports, okay, in which currency the data will be stored. So all of those things we will discuss in our next session. So we will see how can we will fulfill these all requirement of our friend Mr. John. Okay, so it's clear to everyone. Yeah, thank you. That's all for this session. See you in the next session. Thank you so much. Thank you for joining, guys. Bye bye. Have a good day.